Well guys, in this episode you will witness we are making steak omelette. So I have a leftover steak which you can see right here. I have chopped it into small pieces, so we will be using this steak, and these are the eggs. Let's work towards the recipe. We will take 2 green onions and just roughly mince it. So it's just a rough chop. So now we will add vegetable oil in our pan. Add the spring onion in the pan. Pan was not super hot, it was on a medium flame because I just turned it on. We will take a tomato, slice the tomato from the middle, and then make another slices, just the basic cuts. You can try this recipe at home. I mean, home cooking is always good. So again, it's a rough chop. Just make sure it's as tiny as possible. Alright, add the tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, take the steak, and just add all the steak in here. Give it a stir. The green onion, the tomato, the vegetable oil, and the steak. Take in jalapeno. It's gonna bring a little kick to our omelette. If you don't like it spicy or you don't want to eat the jalapeno, it's all okay, skip the jalapeno. But if you're a regular eater, do add jalapeno in there. Okay, looks good. Pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Give it a stir. So this is stir frying right now. We will be waiting for tomatoes to get a little bit soft, and then we will add the eggs in there. We have been stir frying our steak with tomatoes and onion. Now it's time to add the eggs. So for this recipe, I'll be using 4 eggs. Here you go. Once you add the eggs, another pinch of salt. So all together, you'll be adding half tablespoon of salt. That's it. Break the yolk from the top. And just gently move the eggs in here. So it's like the whole mixture is getting bonded with our eggs. To make the process a little bit quicker, I'll put the lid on top and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So add some greens. I'll take some parsley. Chop the leaves part. This is fresh parsley. Trust me, in the morning the parsley tastes yummy. Sprinkle the parsley right on top of it. Okay. Turn off the stove and let it rest for another 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, our steak omelette, very easy to make. I showed you the whole recipe. It's ready. I'll dress the whole dish in the plate. That's how it looks. Take a closer look right here. The moment of truth. I took some brown bread. Oh, let me just take a bite right now. Let me guys show you guys the bottom. It's all roasted. It's all cooked. It's not burned. On the top, it's soft. You guys can see the steak and egg. Yummy. Dress the sandwich. I mean, I'll try to make a good sandwich out of it. The perfect amount of vegetables and the perfect amount of steak is present in there. I'm just trying to make it nice, you know. Okay, I have to use my hand. Alright, so here, take a look. This is a perfect bite right now. It's so hot I can't even take a bite at the moment, right? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. This is very easy breakfast. You can make it. If you have a leftover steak, try this recipe. Very simple ingredients. I showed you the whole. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Bye bye for now. Where's my coffee?